What's up, you guys? Jason Wardrop here, and in today's video, I want to break down how to make $1,000 per day with your own online business, even if you have no marketing experience, no tech skills, and no money to get started by simply copying and pasting a multi-billion-dollar business. And yes, this is 100% ethical. I've actually shot a few other videos just like this in a series that I'm doing, and they've gotten thousands and thousands of views. So I know that you guys like them, and I enjoy making them, so it works out great for both of us. So this is a crazy big company called Thrive. They are a software business. I'm going to break down their business model here in just a second. And if you guys smash the like button, drop a comment down below, I'm going to share with you guys a private link to a free course that show you guys step by step in more detail than I'm going to show you guys in this video, how to go through and make money, make $1,000 per day, literally copying this exact business. All right, so Thrive is actually a spinoff of the Yellow Pages. So if you remember those massive books that had all of the contact information, all the local businesses in your area, I remember calling Pizza Hut as a kid and ordering some pizza. So now, since those are outdated, nobody's going through and looking up in a book the contact information for a local business. Thrive is what was the spun off of Yellow Pages to be able to go through and still sell to the local businesses, advertising space, and marketing services. But they're like, well, everything's moving online, everything's moving towards software, so we need to catch on to this wave. And they have grown a multi-hundred, I think they actually might even be in the billion-dollar valuation range now. And let me just break down their business really quick for you guys. And then if you guys stick with me here to the end of this video, I'm going to literally show you how to copy it, exactly offering the same services to the same exact clients for no money to get started, no marketing experience, and no tech skills. So hang with me. So here is a quick rundown of the business model. What we're going to do is we're going to find local small business owners, which is what Yellow Pages, what Thrive did. And so if we're talking about chiropractors, dentists, massage therapists, restaurants, whoever it might be, because they need help growing their business because they're really good at doing the thing that they do. Like a massage therapist is really good at giving a massage, but they're not great at going through and getting more clients and marketing their business and their services. So what we're going to do is we're going to offer simple marketing systems, simple enough that we can just literally copy and paste, set up once, and they automatically do all the fulfillment on an ongoing basis, so that we can charge anywhere between $300 and $500 per month per client. Now, if we do the math on this really quick, if we just get to 30 clients, which honestly really is not that much, 30 clients paying us $300 per month, that is $9,000 per month, and that is monthly recurring income. We don't have to start from zero at the beginning of every single month. If we get more clients, we already have that $9,000 building up. And if we're charging $500 per month for our services, that's $15,000. That's $180,000 per year that you're making. And guess what? You don't need any expensive college degree. You don't need any marketing experience, no tech skills, and no money to get started with this. So with that said, I want to show you guys the exact types of businesses that Thrive serves. And then I also want to show you the simple marketing systems they offer, and then show you a way that you can literally duplicate and copy all of this. Now, one question I've been getting on a lot of these videos I've been making is that people will be like, oh, well, do I need Thrive? Do I need the Thrive software to go through and do this? Actually, you don't, okay? There's actually a much simpler, easier way to go through and do this where you make a whole lot more money. So let's check out what industries they serve. So if we come over here to Thrive, so thrive.com is their website. We can check on industries. If we click on this, we've got roofers, HVAC, plumbers, landscapers, home improvement, medical practice, dental practice, chiropractic. You can see there's a long list, and we can even say explore all industries. They basically serve any type of small local business. Now, I don't recommend starting here. What I recommend doing is saying, hey, I'm just going to work with roofers. Now I'm going to just zone in and get really good at working with roofers, and I'm just going to be the specialist, and I'm just going to go through and say, hey, any roofer that needs help, I'm your go-to guy, right? And so that's what I recommend, and I go into that in more detail in my free course. If you guys smash the like button, drop a comment down below, I'll hook you guys up with 100% for free. Now, as far as the product goes, they've got Google My Business Profile. So let me just pop this up real quick here. So as far as the Google My Business Profile goes, if we type in something like plumber near me and we come down here, this is their Google My Business Profile. It takes literally about 3 minutes to go through and set up, and it's a way they can go through and get their contact information. You can help them get more 5-star reviews and do a lot of different things, okay? So that's the Google My Business Profile. Online presence. Basically, it's really easy. I don't even really think they're probably even doing anything here because the Google My Business Profile already is helping with their online presence. Social media. So they're going through and posting to the social media sites like a Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, all those different things. I'm going to show you guys how to replicate this here in just a second. Scheduling appointments, so basically going through and booking appointments with your customers, customer communication, customer relationship management, sales and payments, I'll show you guys that here in a second, marketing automation, and reputation management, which is basically helping a small business get more 5-star reviews, because the more 5-star reviews they have, the higher they rank in Google, the higher rate they rank in Google, the more business they're going to go through and get. So this is the exact strategy, guys, of how we're going to actually go through and make $1,000 per day with your own online business, literally copying this massive giant of a business. And if you're looking at this and you're like, well, Jason, I can't compete with Thrive. I don't have all the expertise and the knowledge, know-how. I don't have a large team. Well, guess what? That's actually something you can work into your favor, because a lot of small local businesses, they want to work with somebody that is local, that they can meet with, they can actually talk to. And if you are the owner, the founder of this business, they're going to love that much more. Whereas Thrive, they're just going to have sales reps all over the country. They're this massive business, and they're not going to get the same customer communication and customer support that you're going to give them for literally the same exact price. So they're offering these services to these customers I was showing you guys for anywhere between $300 to $500 per month. So if you're offering $500 per month, you get 2 clients, okay? That's $1,000 per day, just like the title of the video says. Now, how do we actually go through and replicate this, Jason? Because I'm not a coder. I don't have any marketing experience, tech skills, or anything like that. Well, the great thing for you is we've actually built out a very simple software that literally allows you to replicate that business. And it's as easy as dragging and dropping the different tools, what you want to actually go through and offer. So we've got 2-way text and email conversation, Google My Business messaging, which is like the Google My Business profile just showing you guys a minute ago, a web chat widget, which is the little chat widget down at the bottom right. Let's see if Thrive even has it. This little chat widget right here, to be able to go through. So like if we click on this right here, you're able to start a conversation with somebody from Thrive and ask questions before you go through and sign up and get that support. We can also do this. It's literally copying and pasting to get this on somebody's website. Okay. Then we have Facebook Messenger, or we have reputation management, helping with the 5-star reviews, Facebook Messenger, Google My Business call tracking. So if somebody calls in to this phone number, where's the phone number? Right here. Then we're able to track every single person that calls in, know who called. And if they missed the phone call, we can automatically set up a text to send back to that person. It's called auto missed call text back. Okay. And that's right here. Missed call text back. Text to pay, which was another Thrive solution right here. See, sales and payments, Thrive Pay. Basically, after you go through and finish a job, let's say you're a plumber, you fix someone's toilet, you're leaving, you're like, hey, I'm just going to text you the invoice. They text a link. They can easily click on the link and pay the invoice. Makes it so much easier to collect payments for these small local businesses. And then we've got websites, we got the social planner, posting to social media. Workflows is that marketing automation. So marketing automation basically is, okay, if we get a lead, how do we follow up with that lead? We're going to send an email. We're going to send a text. If they do this behavior, we're going to send this email. If they do another behavior, we're going to send another email. So you literally can go through, like let's say we just want to drag and drop this over, okay? That doesn't work right there, but if we drag and drop this over, and then we can say, hey, this is actually $300 per month. Or actually, I want this marketing automation part of the plan that is $500 per month. You can set your own price points and choose what type of features you want in each plan. And the best part about this is all these different features, it's like a one-time setup, and then the software and tools is doing all the ongoing fulfillment for you. And like I said, if you guys smash the like button, drop a comment down below. If you're like, I don't know how to go through and set all this up, that free training I have for you guys shows you guys step by step how to set all of this up for every single one of your clients. It also shows you how to go through and get more clients in your local area. And so you can get clients, then you can fulfill for clients, and then you can consistently charge them anywhere from $300 to $500 per month and start consistently building your database of clients so you can grow the amount of money that you're making every single month. And on top of this, to make it even easier for you guys, we had a professional designer design a website template for you guys that looks very professional. It offers all the different things that we're talking about here: online reviews, messaging, payments. We got a little products breakdown if they want to click on reviews right here. And you see we've got a little demo logo right here. All you have to do is swap in and out your logo, and this is ready to go for your business. You can see this is all professionally designed. We've got the pricing set up. Like I said earlier, you can set whatever pricing you want. This is just demo pricing in here. You could say $300 a month here, $500 a month here. That's exactly what Thrive is charging, and they are a massive business with thousands and thousands of clients. So anyway, guys, I hope this video was helpful as far as exposing behind the scenes of how some of these massive companies are making tons of money, how you can literally replicate it. And one thing I forgot to say is inside of that free course, I actually have a free 30-day extended trial to this software that you can use, get all this set up for free for your first 30 days. And I show you guys exactly how to go through and get your first client in the first 30 days. So before you even have to pay for this software, you already have your first client. They have already paid you. So now you have money to pay for the software on an ongoing basis. And the best part is the software starts at just $97 a month, and it has all the tools and features you need to run your entire business and run all of your clients' businesses, right? So super powerful, super easy way to go through, replicate a proven multi-million, maybe even $1 billion business. I got to do the research on that still, but be able to replicate that even if you have no money, no marketing experience, no tech skills. Literally just go through, follow the exact step-by-step guide I have in my free training I'm hooking you guys up with. Go get this software, get the free 30-day extended trial, set up your pricing plans. I show you guys how to do that inside the program. Choose what industry you want to go through and target, right? And go through and scale that up. And just to show you guys that I'm not just like saying this as far as theory goes, here's an actual look inside my agency dashboard. This last month pulled in about $116,000 doing this exact model. And I have 47, almost $48,000 in monthly recurring revenue. So even if I don't do anything this month, next month I'm already making nearly 50 grand in my business because of the monthly recurring income aspect. All right. So anyway, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Go ahead, smash the like button, drop a comment down below if you guys want more assistance with everything. And with that said, I'll see you in the next video.